Hello guys, welcome you all for this end-to-end session of AIML where you guys gonna learn everything that you guys need in order to become a successful data scientist. Hope you guys are enjoying. We are enjoying a lot and we are learning a lot each and every day. Hope the same thing for you guys. If you guys facing any difficulties related to the data science field or like anything that we have taught, please make sure that you put it in the comment section. We take up and we'll solve it out. And one more thing, guys, if you come to the session, make sure you guys watch all the previous session videos so that you can have a better understanding of what we are telling. Okay. And one more thing, there are 1,000+ quizzes that are available in our like YouTube channel. Please make sure you have just attempted. And adding on, if you guys come to the stage, please make sure that you guys subscribe to our channel because like every day we are just uploading a new video. So that if you guys subscribe and hit the notification icon, right, you're gonna get a notification each and every day whenever we just uploading a new video, so that you will not miss any of our session. Okay. So yeah, guys, without wasting any time, let us jump into today's session. Today's session is an extended version of a previous session where we have introduced you what is Q learning, right? Today we're gonna see the, I will say, level 2 of Q learning. Okay, let's see. So Q learning in data science application, what are the things that it is helpful? Let us see. Okay, first is recommendation system. I hope like most of you guys know already what is recommendation system. We have created a recommendation system also. Okay, for a market basket analysis. Recommendation system recommending the products or content based on users preference and past interaction. Okay, let's say YouTube recommendation, Amazon recommendation, Swiggy recommendation for food. Then resource optimization, optimizing the allocation of resource in a complex system such as cloud computing or logistics. Yeah, true. So in cloud computing, we may not able to store all kind of data that we require, but where we can store only the data which is necessary. So those kind of resource optimization can be done by using this QLearn. Fraud detection, yeah, identifying fraud in transaction or activities by learning patterns from a historical data. Yeah, this thing also can be automated by using QLearn. It can also go for a fraud detection. So recommendation system, resource optimization, fraud detection can be done on top of this applying QLearn. Okay, and one more thing, it is not limited to this. There are multiple fields which has the application of QLearn. So wherever there is reinforcement learning, wherever there is machine learning, wherever there is AI, wherever there is data, you can apply this QLearn. Okay, hope you guys can able to understand, right? So the major thing for us guys, so I am, apart from this concept, I'm just saying the major thing, it can be anything, but wherever there is a data, you can play on it. Okay, that's a major thing. Okay, so not like, okay, I'm having a video data, whether I can play, you can play. Well, I'm having audio data, whether I can play, you can play. Text data, string data, binary, anything. If it is a data, then as a data scientist we have a what. Okay, right? So yeah, so that's all about this application of this Q learning in data science. Let's move on to the next thing. Okay, let's see what are the advantages and limitations of this Q learning. First advantage, simple to implement. Yeah, Q learning is simple to implement because like there is a Q table, you need to update so that you get the QL. Effective for a wide range of problems. Yeah, the thing is, since it is simple to update the Q table, we can use the wide range of problems. So like for gamified apps, something like a chess kind of games, Super Mario games, any kind of gamified things, we can use this Q learning for getting optimal value through for the reinforcement learning algorithm. Can handle continuous state space. Yeah, this is a major thing. It keeps track of what is the sequence, what is the state that it contains. So like those things it will keep track. Okay, let's see what are the limitations. First is can be slow to converge in a complex environment. Yeah, it will converge, but like it is very difficult. It will take time, not a difficult. It is challenging, but like it's gonna take more time. Thing is, let's consider we are having a snake game. Like I hope like most of them have played. You will be having a snake, it will eat food, and it becomes bigger, and there will be a wall. If it hit on the wall or itself, it will die. So in order to understand all the patterns of the game, it's gonna take more complexity, right? But it is able to do it, but takes more time. Then prone to overfitting, it cannot carefully tuned. Yeah, since we are training each and every frame, it proven to overfit. That means it works 100% for the training data, zero for the testing data. Requires a large amount of dataset for training. Yeah, true. You need each and pixel wise change data. Okay, not like a simple data classification. You need pixel wise change data. That's a major thing, guys. Okay. Okay, hope you guys are able to understand the what are the advantages and limitation of Q learning. Let's move on to the next thing. Okay, what are the hyperparameter tuning and optimization that we are having in Q learning? Simple. Learning rate, control the step size for updating the Q learning or Q table. Okay, you will be having a Q table. You will be having a Q learning. So whenever the agent learns, there will be some value. You need to update this value to the Q table. That is called as learning rate updation or a Q table updation. Then discount factor, it determines the importance of the feature rewards relative to the immediate rewards. Okay, discount factor is something which is associated with the reward. So for example, in our environment of Super Mario, whenever it eats a big, it's gonna get a reward. If it is multiplied with 2, then it is called as a discount factor. Okay, whatever the reward that is multiplied, whether it is a positive or negative reward, that is called as a discount factor. Then exploration rule or rate, balance exploration and exploitation during the training. So that is the major thing, because like the character has to explore the world, as well as it need to take the decision which is very apt for the world, not like randomly taking a decision and making something. Okay, so that's a major thing. Okay, let's move on to it. Next thing. Okay, we have come to the conclusion, guys. Okay, conclusion and future work. Robotic control. Q learning is used to develop intelligent robots capable of navigating complex environments and performing tasks. Guys, you guys can believe, right, how much potential this reinforcement learning has, because it learns from the environment where we have lived. Okay, and I have set an example, right? In a childhood, we would have put our finger onto the candle, fire of the candle. It should have burnt our finger, so the next time we will not do that. In that way, in that knowledge, this reinforcement learning can help us to achieve those knowledge to the mission. Okay, transferring of human level language to the mission through the reinforcement learning is a very very possible thing. Okay, that is what robotic control. Gaming AI, so I know game AI, you guys already know. So by my game also you can automate. Okay, so Q learning is used to create a challenging and engaging AI opponents in video games. Yeah, I hope like every game has these three things: easy, medium, and high. So whenever you need to go for a easy thing and for a winning thing, you need to go for a easy method. Medium is like, okay, I doesn't need a win or I doesn't need a loss. Then you can go for a medium method. Hard method, I need a strict opponent for me to fight with. That is called as a like hard method. Okay, fine. So, data analysis, yeah, Q learning helps to optimize data analysis workflow and improve decision making in complex domains. Okay, hope you guys can able to understand, right? This is very very important when it comes to a data analysis, because like this reinforcement learning is used to find what part of problem is missing, how we can handle the data, how we can analyze it, like those things. You guys, this Q learning is gonna tell you. Okay, so these are the conclusion, future direction, like robot controls, uh, game AI, data analytics. I will not say it's future, it's present. Okay, so yeah, that's all about the things, guys. So we have discussed for the past session, this session we have discussed what is Q learning, what are the importance of it, what is the advantage, what is the disadvantage, and finally we have concluded the session. Okay, so hope you guys have enjoyed the session. If you guys have any doubt, just ping in the comment section. We'll take up and we'll solve your doubts. Okay. So yeah. Until next session. Bye guys. Take care. We will all meet in the next session. Bye guys.